In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads with Shopify. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once the page loads, sign into your Google Ads account. After logging in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all menu options and settings appear correctly. This is important because some tools may not be visible right away if the page is still loading in the background. When you're on the main overview page, look at the top navigation bar and click the Tools icon. This is where Google Ads groups several setup and management features. From the menu that appears, select Data Manager. After that, wait for the Data Manager page to finish loading completely before continuing. Once you're in Data Manager, look through the available integrations and find Shopify. Click on Shopify to begin the connection process. You'll then see the available Shopify connection options. Take a moment to review these carefully so you understand which setup best matches your store and advertising needs. When you're ready, select the Shopify integration option you want to use. Next, if prompted, sign in to your Shopify account. After signing in, choose the Shopify store you want to connect to Google Ads. If you manage more than one store, be extra careful here to make sure you select the correct one, since this connection will affect how your store data is shared with Google Ads. You'll then be shown the permissions requested for the integration. Review these permissions so you know what access is being granted. After that, configure any available integration settings. Depending on what Google Ads and Shopify present, you may also see options related to audiences or data sharing. Enable the options you want to use based on your marketing goals and privacy preferences. Once everything looks correct, click Authorize to connect Shopify with Google Ads. The system will begin the connection process, and this may take a few moments, so wait until it finishes completely. After the setup is complete, go back and verify that Shopify now appears as a connected data source inside Data Manager. This confirms that the platform has been linked successfully. Finally, review the integration status and make sure it shows as active. That last check is important because it confirms the connection is not only added, but also working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with Google Ads. Thanks for watching.